going to do today, we're going to activate your prior knowledge. Do anybody know what prior knowledge is? Prior knowledge is something that you already know. Easy peasy lemon squeezies. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do math addition. Are y'all familiar with math addition? Adding and counting on. As we see numbers here. Do y'all want to count with me? Let's see if we can count. On the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Give yourself a hand clap. That was very good. We're activating our prior knowledge. Now, what thing we're going to do? We're going to do a fluency real quick. That fluency is going to include you're counting on. I'm going to count. I'm going to start the first number out, and then you're going to say the second number. I'm going to say the third number, and then you're going to do what? Say the fourth number. And it'll be on and on until we get to the number what? 10. All right, so this is just practicing some fluency. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Give yourself a hand clap. So guys, we did a pre-test before in the classroom. So we're going to do this pre-test. It's not really a test, but it's kind of like activating your prior knowledge, kind of like a little game, a little quiz. So before we do that though, we're going to go over it. So this time you'll have a better understanding of what you did, because remember the last time I just gave it to you and I just let you take it, right? I didn't explain it to you, right? So this time we're going to actually do a little lesson. So we're going to activate our prior knowledge. We're activating our prior knowledge. We're talking about adding on and subtraction. Does this look familiar to you guys?
It's a plus sign.
It's a plus sign. Great job. Tell you what I'm about to do. You guys, I'm telling you what I'm about to do. Great job. I want you to pick something out that you like.
It's shaped like a,
You know, candy? Nothing? Okay.
it's like a shape like a cross, but it's different.
All right, so what is that, a plus sign? What do you think we do with the plus? Addition is another word for it. What does it do?
Hey,
It adds on
everywhere.
What do we do? We add on, right?
What this is that?
No, some good pickles. Everybody's going to get a chance to have a chance. All right, so what is the next one?
Subtraction.
I need to see some signs, some hands. Hands.
It's a minus.
No, it's not.
It's minus.
Not equal. Almost.
It's minus. It's minus.
A minus sign. Good job. Good job. All right, so it's a minus sign. What does a minus sign do? Can somebody raise their hand?
Subtract.
Subtract and what? Take away. Good job, guys. Good job. Subtract and take away. Yeah. That'd be great. That'd be great.
Man.
Alright, guys. So here we go. And what is this sign, guys?
Equal.
Equal.
Equal. Good job, McKendry.
Equal.
That's equal.
Yes, it is.
That's equals.
That's great.
That equals.
Some of them sour.
That equals.
Good job, guys.
That equals.
Alright, guys. So that is an equal sign. We're going to learn more on how we're going to add. Now, guys, what I want you to know is when you get this little quiz that I'm about to give you, we're going to have whole numbers on there. We have what you call whole numbers. We have numbers with decimals. We have fractions. But we always want to know what a whole number is. A whole number is no fractions, no decimals. You know how like sometimes we have money and you see a dollar sign where it has the 1.00. You know that little dot? What is that dot in? What is that dot called? That's a decimal. If you see a dot 1.00, then that means that it's not a what? It's not gonna be a what? It's not gonna be a whole number. A whole number. Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a class in there?
Yes.
Okay, never mind.
Okay. Well, you're not gonna see that. You're not gonna see that decimal or that fraction. It's gonna be by itself, guys. The number 5. What is this number? Matter of fact, what is this number we're looking at?
A 5.
5.
It is a 5. All right. Good job. All right. So we're gonna go over a couple vocabulary words, things that you need to know. Add means to what?
To put together.
To put together. We always gonna put them together. And then the add means here means what? To
Put together.
Now what you see here is you see different addings. You see the add word, and then you see your what? Addition what? Sign, right? That's very, very important, okay? Subtraction.
Take away. What the?
I'm sorry, I went too far down. Hold on, guys. Alright, so another vocabulary word we're going to go over is subtraction. Subtract means to what?
Take away.
Take away. And we all know that a subtraction sign looks like a what?
No.
One what? Horizontal. That'll be that. That's what a minus sign look like.
Lock.
In the box.
Kind of like a rectangular, right? All right, guys. So here we go. We're going to go. And we're going to go on and we're going to do a little quiz. Which one is a whole number?
Hey.
Is it A, B, or C? Now, look at this very closely, guys, before you answer. A has a what? 1.00. The B has the number what? 10. And the C has the number what? 1/4. Remember I talked about a whole number? What can a whole number not have?
No decimal.
Or what?
No.
Or no kind of what?
No.
No line. No adding.
No fractions.
Yes.
No fractions. So which one? Yes, you can, sweetheart.
There's no showers.
I know which one.
So which one do you guys think that is a whole number?
B.
B is correct. Give her a hand clap. Very good. Good job. B is correct. B is a whole
It's
number. All
Yeah.
right, guys.
Ain't no dead end.
So now we're going to go into, we're going to show manipulatives. Those are what you call tools. Sometimes we like to call them toys or we like to call them items, but we're going to use manipulatives, and that's going to help us be able to count. All right, guys. So we see what? We see two whole numbers. We see a what? What's that sign? And what is that sign?
Equal sign.
Equal sign. So we have what?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
All right, so these are what you call manipulatives or tools, or what you can call toys. It's actually a what? What are those? Apples. If we see here this number 2, we have 2 apples underneath, right? And if we see this other 2, we have 2 apples underneath. If we add it together, y'all, what do we get? Let's count it together. Can we count it together? We count it, let's count it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So the answer is what?
4.
You know what you guys just did? You counted on, you did addition, adding, which is very, very good. So anytime you have your 2 plus 2 equals 4 and you have the